Hey guys, it's Henry here from HTP Boer Goat Farming. So today we're gonna be cleaning some goat pens. We're gonna need to clean the place out so they have a nice clean place to stay. So have a look. So yeah, this is after. And this is what it came out. Hmm, difficult to see anyway. But yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's move along to the next one. Okay, yeah, so here's pen number 2 and number 3. We'll do them next. Here's number 4. You see it's very dirty. So yeah. Like you see. So yeah, it's time to clean it out. Let's get going. Okay, yeah, so that's this one down. Got it cleaned out pretty well, I'd say. Looks much better. So yeah, now over to this side. Chickens having fun in the manure. Yeah, so let me get started. I'll show you guys when I'm done. So yeah, that's this side done as well. Looks a lot better. Got some wet spots, they'll dry out. And I got a heaping pile of goat manure. Small one on this side as well. So yeah, but I'm still gonna clean here on the outside as well. And then we're just left with this one, these goat pens here on this side. So yeah, let's get back to it. Okay, yeah, so inside is done, so it's time to start on the outside. Cleaning here all of this muck out until we hit the saw. So yeah, let me set up you guys and you can check how it happens. So yeah, we're done. Cleaned outside. Let's see what you can see from here. Yeah. So yeah, cleaned outside, cleaned inside. They already messed it. But yeah. So yeah, now they have a nice clean up pen house to stay in. All of them out in the field. So yeah. No, thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day. Yeah, got the feed. You got your feed. You got your feed.